Very pretty outside. I can't see my camera at all. I'm filming nature today because it's very nice out. And I hope my neighbors don't hear me because it's embarrassing when I talk. I always get off topic. Okay, well, let's go tour my natureness. My house is right in front of trails, but you can walk on or bike on and stuff. Trampoline, let's go bounce on it. This isn't bounce out my car, it's not bounce on it. Okay, well, we nature chairs, huh? Pretty nature grill, huh? That's so pretty. Pretty nature stuff, oh. Nature grass, huh? Nature backyard. Is it pretty? Nature side of the house. Pretty nature. I'm covering the sign so I don't know where you find out where I live. Huh? Nature trees. Huh? Nature, I don't know what to call it. Huh? It's a pretty nature railing thing. Yeah. It's so pretty. Nature. Best of all, where the ice cream lives. Yummy. We do eat very healthy, but we eat popsicles and stuff. Buy very good kingdom. For that really random video, I just never make videos outside. And I decided to do one and show you all my nature stuff. And I don't even know if my camera's recording because I can't see the screen at all. But I can see outside and it's very, very beautiful. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed my nature walk and bye-bye.